Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia C20 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and let's enter the developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, just find our tutorial of how to enable them in this model and then let's go back to this video. So let's enter the developer options and all we have to do right now is simply find the option system UI demo mode. Let's enter it and here we've got two different options, so we can either turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and we can make it visible, we can show it. So let's tap on the second option and as you can see it is immediately activated, so the hour is set, let's say, defaultly. What's more, all the icons are full, so the battery icon is full and also the internet connection. So this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode. If you want to turn it off, all you have to do is simply tap on this switcher. This is the switcher responsible for actually not turning it off but only hiding it. If you want to turn it off completely, just tap on this switcher at the very top. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Nokia C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.